Hello friends, I am Dr. Sutar from Sanjeevani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Friends, up till now we see that the various type of the hormones which are to be utilized in case of the plant body, they are going to show the different type of the activity. Some are going to show the improvement or increase in the maturity or stimulation of the growth is there. Somewhere when hormones are there, we see that they inhibit the growth of the plant. So up till now the various type of the variety of the hormones are there that we have to be see in case of the plant body, which are to be occur naturally or we are going to be used synthetically. Now the today's hormone is there, that is a gaseous hormone is there. So this one is nothing but ethylene is there. So let's start with this one. So ethylene, here you have to be observed that one. These are the green color of fruits are there, which in presence of the ethylene gas, they are to be ripened on the plant body. So ethylene is a gaseous hormone is there, or the natural plant growth inhibitor is there, which is to be found in case of the plant body. They are to be present in case of the gaseous form. This hormone is also known as a volatile hormone or the volatile plant growth regulator. Means they are going to enhance the growth of the plant of the fruit is there. So this is known as a plant growth regulator. So they are to be mostly found in case of the ripening part of the plant, where the fruits are there, flowers are there, roots are there, stem, root, shoots are there, where the fruits are there, flowers are there that are to be present, or any type of the ripening process is there should happen on this one part. This type of the gaseous is there should be observed. So the formula for this one ethylene is there, that is C2H4 is there. So the scientist Gani is the one in 1935 he observed that a gas is there should be evolved in the ripening process or the fruits which are to be ripened. A sweet smell is there should be observed. You have to be observed that if there is a one custard plant is there at your home, when the custard apples are there, that should be observed. They in the ripening process there is a sweet smell is there should be observed. That is nothing but is ethylene gas is there. So this gas is there that Gani says that ethylene gas is there that is responsible for the ripening process of the fruits are there. So Crocker is the one scientist. He find and recognize that this is a plant hormone. Means Crocker gives the name that this ethylene is a plant hormone which is utilized for the ripening of the fruits are there or any one part of the fruits or the flowers are there. The ripening is there, it should be happen. So let's see the functions of this one. Ethylene is there, that is should be there for the ripening of the fruit. What are the different type of the fruits are there? If you have collected the unripe fruit and if you want to ripe such type of the fruit, just you have to be uh, spread some of the chemical that releases the ethylene gas. One of the experiment is also there. One scientist that placed some of the mangoes toward the stove where the kerosene is there that should be utilized for the inflammation purpose. Because of that one particular smell, what is this one mangoes are there that should be ripened because there is a one ethylene gas there should be released through this one and the ripening process there should be happen. They also to be ethylene is there is to be also found in case of the leaf abscission. Abscission means that the separation or the detachment of the leaves is there. In this one particular process, ethylene gas is there is to be there. Then the support to the root as well as the stem elongation also means ethylene along with the auxin they inhibit the action of the cytokinin. Cytokinin action is there should be inhibited because of which the ethylene it responsible to vertical as well as the vertical means toward the top as well as the bottom side means in case of the root as well as in the shoot of the apex the growth is there is to be initiated. Then it stimulates the flower as well as the leaf sensation, means aging process is there should be occur. It improves the maturity of the flowers as well as the leaf is there is to be there. It breaks the dormancy in case of the stem swelling is there. Dormancy there should be breakdown by this type of the ethylene that improves the germination. Then ethylene and auxin, it inhibit the lateral bud formation, that suppresses the lateral bud formation. So this type of the process is that should happen in case of the ethylene. Then it, what is the latex flow is there, that should be enhanced or stimulated by this ethylene gas. In case of the most the rubber tree, it causes the stimulation of the latex flow. It improves the secondary metabolite concentration like sinucide in case of the senna leaves. It also increases the production of the phytotuberine and the phytosterol in case of the plant body. And the last one function is there, it shows increase in the flower opening and the discoloration of the flower. So likewise the different type of the functions are there that is replaced by this one ethylene, which is a gaseous hormone. So in this way we conclude that all the type of the hormones are there that are to be utilized for the variety of the functions. So this is the last one hormone is there. Till now we see that the different type of the hormones, auxin in case of the vertical direction, upward as well as downward, that is to be responsible for the growth. Then second one hormone is the gibberellin, that is to be obtained from the fungus Gibberella physicoi, and that is also responsible for the enhancement of the growth of the plant. Cytokinin is the one hormone that is responsible for the lateral bud formation. Fourth one is there, that is the abscisic acid. Abscisic acid that is we found in case of the abscission, means the detachment of the part of the plant, that is the leaves are there, the fruits are there. In this case, they are to be found. Mostly in case of the stress condition, abscisic acid is to be found in case of the plant body. The last one, ethylene, which is a gaseous hormone that is we also found in case of the plant, that is mostly responsible for the ripening, which is having a sweet smell, and the formula for this one is there, that is C2H4 is there. These hormone, all these hormones somewhere that responsible to increase the concentration of the secondary metabolite, where they are to be responsible to break the dormancy, to stimulate the germination period, or the bud is there. Likewise, the different type of the processes are there that is being involved. So in this way, we have concluded that all the hormones plays an important role in case of the different type of the activities which are to be played in case of the plant body. So thank you.